back.
Yes. I was just about to come and get you. I would like you to meet Ada here and her daughter, Olive. Ada is my girlfriend.
What?
Hey, baby, I'm sorry I took you by surprise.
Dad, tell me that was a joke.
I'm sorry.
Dad!
Oh, come on, listen. I thought it would be better if I show you than tell you about it.
Then what's this all about? What about Mom?
Your mom and I have not been together for years. I held back because of you. I mean, don't I deserve to be happy?
I can't believe you.
Ellie.
Don't.
That's the way indoors, you know.
Olive, it would be nice if you say something nice, actually.
Hey, Olive, pack your bags. We're going somewhere. Olive goes, Mom, where? You go, it's a surprise. This is the surprise. This is your surprise.
Olive, I am sorry I sprang up on you like that. It's just that Nolan and I want us to spend some time together.
Mom, how can you do this? You are a married woman.
No, I'm not.
What are you talking about?
I'm sorry, I didn't tell you this. Your dad and I got a divorce a week ago.
What?
I'm sorry, baby girl.
It's because of that man, right?
No.
How can you do this to Dad?
Olive.
You know what? I'm not going to spend another minute in this house. Mom, please, transport fare. I want to leave.
No,
I'm
I
going
can't.
home. Mom, money, please.
No.
I'll trek. No problem.
Olive.
Mom.
Stop. Olive. Baby, come, let's go inside.
Mom, I'm not going inside that house.
Please.
No.
It's just 2 weeks.
Wow. So you want me to spend 2 disgusting weeks in this house? It's not me and you.
Okay, fine. You can stay here. When you're ready, you come inside.
I'm not coming inside.
Hey.
Hey.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Is she still outside?
Yes. I went there countless number of times. She still insists that she wants to be there.
Was this the wrong call?
I don't know.
Maybe it's just not the right point.
I know it's not going to be easy at all.
Should I go out there and talk to her? Maybe work my magic on her?
Okay. Give it a try.
Wish me luck.
Good luck.
All right, be back. Hi, Olive. My name is Nolan.
So, did I ask?
You know you should come inside. Your mom is worried about you.
Just because you're her boyfriend doesn't mean you can tell me what to do.
You know, staying outside here could damage your skin from the sun. It's getting pretty hot.
I would rather sweat like a goat than get into the house. It doesn't matter what you say. I'm not getting in there.
Yeah, but like I said, it's pretty sunny out here. It could damage your skin. You got good skin, you know. Okay. Feel free to come inside whenever you feel like.
How did it go?
I told her it was a hot, sunny day, and she said she'd rather burn than come into this house.
That girl is so stubborn.
I'm just going to spend the night. Where's the room?
Yeah, the room is upstairs. I'll take that.
I'm not handicapped.
Okay. Upstairs.
Come in.
Coming in.
Dad.
Hey.
What is she doing here?
Okay, Olive here will be sharing your room with you.
What? Dad, I can't share my room with a stranger.
Well, she's not a stranger.
Well, she's a stranger to me, and I'm not sharing my room with her.
Ellie, can we please speak in private?
I'm not going anywhere. I'm not just sharing my room with anybody.
Okay, I'm sorry to hear that. Olive, you will be staying here, okay?
Dad!
Please make yourself comfortable.
Dad, this is not fair. How will I be sharing a room with a...
Okay, be comfortable. Okay.
What are you trying to do?
Please, I hate being in this place as much as you
Then leave. Leave this house. I mean, do it now. Now, like right now.
I'm sorry, it's too late for that pumpkin.
Oh, this one. Borrowed human being. That's my spot. Get out. Carry your borrowed self and get out of here. I'm not sharing my duvet. I'm not sharing my bed.
You're taking up the whole bed space.
Oh, my fellow pumpkin. Sorry, that's how I sleep at night. If you don't like it, go home. Nonsense.
What do you think is happening in their room right now?
I wish I knew.
Don't you think we should have left them in their separate rooms?
The idea was for them to bond, not for them to stay in separate rooms.
I hope they don't kill themselves bonding.
It's awfully quiet for two people who are killing themselves. You know, it took us 6 months to get here. I don't think I want us to talk about our daughters on our first night.
Do you have anything else in mind?
Oh, I certainly do.
Baby girl, how are you? Did you sleep well?
I got the kind of sleep someone sleeping on the couch would.
You slept here? Why?
I thought Nolan took you to the bedroom. Why would you sleep on the couch?
Well, apparently, she loves the couch, so let
Last
her...
time I checked, my mom was asking me the question.
Oh, sorry, I thought you were deaf, that you couldn't hear them, so I had to help you.
You're the deaf one.
Whatever rocks your boat.
Hey, it's okay.
I hope you're not talking to me because you're not my mom. You don't have...
Don't you ever in your life talk to my mom like
Oh,
that.
what will happen?
Ellie, calm down.
And Olive, why is your box still here?
I called Dad. Dad, I've been calling since yesterday. I'm not fine. You and Mom divorced? Dad, how could you let her do this? You could have started by not leaving the house. Who brought me to this man's house? She calls him her boyfriend or whatever. I'm sure it's the reason your marriage ended. I don't want to be here, to be honest. Could you come pick me up? Dad, please. Please. Dad. Thank you. I'll send you the address.
He said what?
He said he's coming to get me.
Oh, thank you, Jesus. This is the best news I've heard in a while.
Excuse me.
When is he coming? I really want to know.
It's none of your business.
Yeah, you're right. He's coming to take you out of this house, so I should be happy. I hope he's taking your mom too.
You know, you should be glad someone like my mom is with someone like your dad.
Wait. Did you just refer to my dad as someone like? Do you know who my dad is?
A homewrecker who deceives pretty young ladies to leave their husbands.
Wait, did you just describe your mom as pretty and young? Look, I know you've been going to school since you were born, but I can't believe they haven't yet taught you the definition of pretty and young. The only reason my dad is with your mom is because he pities her. That's all, because your mom is not even anything close to being pretty and young.
How dare you?
Did you just push me?
Duh.
Do you know I can beat you, I can crush you like an ant that you are?
Oh, yeah, no.
You just tell me. Get off me.
Hey. What's going on? What's going on here?
You know, maybe if you spent less time chasing married women,
Olive!
then she wouldn't have...
No, you let her be. Let her behave as mannerless as she is. Prove that you failed as a mother.
Hey, it's okay, you two.
I hope I'm not involved in that you too.
We are going to be stuck in here for 2 weeks. So let's learn to be friendly to each other.
I'm not going to learn anything because I am not staying in this house for 2 weeks. The three of you will be.
Look who is talking. Who wants to be in the same house as you?
Good.
Ellie.
Dad's calling me. See you guys later. Oh, sorry. Never. Excuse me.
Go and never return. I don't see you.
Oh, shut up.
Olive.
Better follow her.
Hi, Dad. Are you already at the gates? You're not here, are you? Dad. 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 Mom, what did you tell Dad?
Ellie, can we go upstairs, please?
Dad, this is my living room. If there's...
Hey! Come here. Let's go. Come.
What did you tell Dad, Mom?
Baby girl, it's complicated.
Don't tell me that. You left Dad for this man? Why?
It's just 2 weeks. 2 weeks. Get to spend time with Noland. You'll find out that he's not a bad person.
Oh, so if a man that takes a woman away from her husband isn't a bad person, then I don't know who is. 2 weeks, right? Fine. I'll make you regret bringing me here.
Come on, Ellie. It's just for 2 weeks, please.
Dad, what about Mom?
Your mom and I have been over for a long time.
What? Dad, you can still work something out with her.
Kiddo, we have been divorced for a long time, okay? You know how it was when she was here. We always fought all the time.
Dad, you know everybody fights. It's not so special.
Not the way your mom and I fought. We fought so much. Listen, look, we're over and my heart belongs to somebody else now.
By somebody else, you mean Olive's mom?
Yes, and her name is Auntie Adachi.
Dad, is she the reason you always fought with Mom?
No, of course not. Listen, Ada, she was after your mom and I was already over.
Then I guess it's the reason you don't want to work things
Listen,
out
she
with
had
Mom.
nothing to do with our relationship, okay?
Of course, that's what you say. You always try to defend her.
Ellie.
Dad, you said you and Mom fought always. How are you sure that you and this auntie will not fight? How are you sure she's not even worse than Mom?
Baby, we won't, okay?
I'm sure she will. And I will not accept her as long as my mom is alive.
Ellie. Ellie. Hey.
Thank you. I needed this.
Yeah, me too. So, I spoke with Ellie. It would be easier to actually dry a river than to get both of them to accept each other.
Yours is better. My own daughter threatened me.
Really?
Yeah. I think we should end this whole thing.
No. I think you're up for the challenge. My dear, you're greater than this challenge.
Yeah.
Yeah. I love you.
I love you too. So does that mean...
Yes, it means that we'll do everything we can to make sure both of them grow fond of each other.
I have never been so scared of anything in my life.
You need more of this for courage.
I needed it. Thank you.
I'll get more though.
Did they say they were coming?
You know, I wish they gave me some sort of assurance.
And what are you doing in my room?
Please, I'm not in the mood.
And who cares if you're in the mood? Who cares if you're in the mood or not? My question was, what are you doing in my room? Simple. I don't know whether you don't have sense.
See, this is my room now. And for 2 weeks, I'm going to be here. So deal with it.
Get out from my room.
Come and drag me. No, drag me.
Oh, you know, you've been giving me signs since, but I have not been understanding. But now I understand you better. So where you're coming from, your mom and all the people around here, your village people particularly, came and told you that if you see her, die in her hands. Because I know if I beat you, it's death straight. Bury her next. They told you to come and die in my hands. Tell them it did not work. You did not see me.
You are right here. You are just scared. Just say that you are scared, I beg.
Sorry, scared of what? This light? Scared of what? No, I'm actually looking for what I'm scared of. Because I cannot be scared of you. Must be delusional. You are sick.
Come and drag me. No, drag me out of this room. Maybe you have strength.
Troublemaker.
Rubbish. Come on, get out.
I see it in your eyes. Troublemaker. Well, my daddy taught me that I should be helping the poor and the needy. So, in any little way that I can, even if it's borrowing my room to them for 2 weeks. So, I'm going to just do like that. I'm going to follow my dad's teachings. Because you're poor and you're obviously needy. You need
the way
help.
You are looking right now,
You
are you
need
not
help.
poor and needy?
What are you doing in
See
a
how
poor
you
and
look
needy person's
dehydrated.
house? Look, what are you
Look
doing
at
in
how
a
you
poor
look
and needy-
dehydrated. You look malnourished.
My dear.
Shame on you.
Smell. I don't
Look
know why
at what
this
you're
room is
wearing.
smelling
Look
now.
at what you're wearing.
Look at what...
You know, ever since you came in, the room started smelling.
I've been living in this place for years.
Come on, get out
It's
of this
today
place,
that this
my
place started smelling like
before I
rats,
slap
dead
you.
rats.
You really think I want to be around
Go
you?
to your... But then what are you doing on my bed? Please, I beg you, sleep on the floor. In fact, because my daddy said I should help the poor. Shift. Shift! You want me to beat you before you shift?
What is this?
This is the way we'll be sleeping. If you cross this line...
Wow.
If you cross this line, you're dead.
Wow.
You should be happy I'm giving you space in my room. Very soon I will have to wash these bedspreads. It's smelling.
Well, good thing you guys haven't killed yourself yet.
That's funny.
It is, right? Anyway, I just came to inform you guys that breakfast is ready downstairs. If you guys could come down to eat.
Please don't be talking to me like you're my father. You can never be like him.
Look at this one. Do you know how many children want my dad? It's a privilege for my dad to talk to them. Do you know how much they pay a month
Ellie.
for my dad? And my dad...
Ellie! Just want to inform you guys that breakfast is ready. Your mother is downstairs. I'll be downstairs. You guys can come downstairs. We'll be waiting for you guys. The food will be waiting for you guys as well. Ellie? Come down, right? Both of you come downstairs. All right.
You are not, you are not serious.
I wonder why this
You
room...
are actually
I wonder
out
why
of
this
your
room
mind.
started smelling.
Hello, Olive.
Olive, you came down?
I can't start for 2 weeks, can I?
What about Ellie?
I'm not her keeper.
He will never be my keeper, no matter how hard you try. Time's up. That's my chair. Get up. I said get up from my chair.
Ellie. Yeah, it's another chair.
I want to sit here. I normally sit here beside you. I want to sit here.
Olive, can you please sit here?
No, Ada. She came here first. You can sit somewhere else.
Nolan, it doesn't matter. Olive, stand up and sit here.
If I get up from this place, let me know what caused it. You can see a free seat there. If you don't sit there, then don't sit at all.
Why don't you sit there? Are you the owner of this dining table? Why would you claim seat?
I'm sorry, but I don't see your name.
Right from
carved.
birth?
I don't
Right
see
from
your
birth,
name.
I have been sitting on this...
Hey, can you two stop? What is it? Olive, stand up and sit here.
But I don't get it. I came here first.
It doesn't matter. Stand up and sit here.
You know what? I've lost my appetite.
It's a better idea. Get out of the dining table. My father's dining table. How can you come to my own dining table and start claiming rights? As who? Olive oil. Nonsense. Please, when are we going to start eating? I'm hungry. So many people are losing their appetite today. Can never lose my appetite. You too. You have joined your daughter. I said it, there's this spiritual traits in them that always give them the morale to be doing things that they do. But they don't know. They will not go and do deliverance for themselves. Advise your daughter, her character is not good. Very bad character.
Hey.
Hey. Ellie was wrong out there.
Olive could have been the bigger person and stood up. But I didn't want Ellie to think I am supporting her because she's my daughter.
You know, you don't have to support her if she's wrong just because you don't want to bruise her ego.
I'm trying to get her to accept me here. And that won't work if she only thinks that I'm supporting my daughter.
Look, I know you're in a fix here, but I don't think you should be supporting her when she's wrong. You know, that could create a rift between two of them, and Olive might think that you're taking sides. You know, and she might think you love Ellie over her, and that's not good.
Why is this so hard?
I know, right? We'll figure it out. Yeah. All right, girls, so we have decided to play a little game. Babes, you two are to study each other and pen down what you find or the good qualities you find in each other.
Sorry, what if there's none in...
Ellie, there has to be something.
I'm sure there's nothing.
Oh, finally we agree on something.
All right, girls. If you agree to take part in this exercise, I will grant you girls any wish.
Any wish.
Any.
Dad, promise to keep your own part of the bargain.
I will keep my own part of the bargain if you guys keep your own part of the bargain by actually penning down what you guys admire about each other.
This one. Okay.
Try to make things up now and write it down for you and get it.
We'll be in our room. Babes, let's go.
Babe, that wasn't part of the plan.
I know, but I realized that While we're all together, if I didn't add the wish part, they might not want to do the assignment.
Promised to fulfill a wish. What if my daughter decides to leave?
And what
or
if...
maybe your daughter decides to tell us to leave the house.
And what if they get together and they actually enjoy being together?
What are the chances? What they have not done in days, you expect them to do it in hours?
Have a bit of faith. A little bit of faith. Come, sit down. You're stressed out. Relax. You worry too much, you know? So, how are you?
Look at who they want me to. Hey, God. Oh, Lord of Jesus. There's nothing to write about you. Nothing.
Why are you staring? You've never seen a fine girl before.
You wish. I'm just trying to lie about qualities you clearly do not have. So far,
I see you don't have peace in your life.
So far, there are zero good qualities about you. Your father really did a terrible job training.
Don't insult my father.
It's not an insult, my dear. It's the truth. Because you are senseless, mannerless, and stubborn. If I should also add stupid. Your father and your mother did a terrible job training you, my dear. That is why your father left your mother for my mom, who knows how to train a child properly.
So did you just put your mother and my mother in the same statement? Because that is a pure insult. That's an insult to my mother because your mother is not even worthy of looking at my mother. You have not seen her. That's why you're comparing that your mannequin to a beautiful woman.
Right. And your dad left her for mine.
You see how women are these days? Bad women. They always use jazz on men. They always do it.
Please. Don't just be delusional, my dear. Because you can't lie to yourself. You know your mom. She's a horrible woman. She is the most... She's the ugliest and the worst mother on planet Earth. And I've never seen any other mother like her because she's obviously terrible. But mine is amazing, gorgeous, talented, and lovely. And that is why your father left your useless mother for my mother that has sense. Now, if you excuse me, I have lies to get back to. Did you talk? Are you out of...
Hey! Eddie, let her be. Leave her alone. What is wrong with you?
Look at Look at who you want me to write qualities about. Look at this dirty girl. She came from the streets, it's obvious.
Hey, calm down.
Don't you dare call me. See, you're a pig.
What? How did you just ask? How did you just ask? You're sweating.
When she won't.
Shut up. What are you doing? You could see that I was watching something.
Well, the last time I checked, this is my father's house. And I own this TV. So you don't have any right to tell me when I watch TV and how I regulate the remote. Is it your own?
Ellie, put that channel back on.
Ellie, you have gone through a lot. Look at how he's commanding you. Look at how he's commanding me. I see that you've not seen a TV in your house before 24 hours. That's why it's touching your brain. You want to watch everything you see.
I am telling you.
Go to your house and watch your TV. That's if you have one.
Give me that thing. Ellie, give me the remote.
In your wildest dreams.
Ellie, give me the remote.
Olive, I'll beat you.
Ellie,
I will beat you.
Ellie, give me the remote.
This is my house. I can watch TV anyhow I want.
What is going on here? What is it?
Is it not her? I was watching something she could
clearly see that. She just came, collected the remote and changed the channel like I wasn't even there.
Ellie, why would you do that?
Because this is my house. This is my house. I am the second owner of this house, so she doesn't have any right to come here and start telling me I'm watching TV. I own the TV.
Olive, but I saw you watching TV. You should have allowed her.
At least one of them has sense.
Hey! Come with me.
Daddy,
No!
Mom, how could you support her? Her, of all people.
No, I was just saying.
I know why you're doing this. It's really clear. You just want her to love you and give you attention as per, oh, mommy. But let me tell you something, mommy. She will never see you as a mother. She will only see you as a whore that took her mother's place.
Shut up. How dare you?
You do realize that she's old enough to be your mother, right?
Well, she's not my mother.
Hey, you watch your tone with me. You don't talk back at me. What's wrong with you?
I should be asking you that question. Why would you bring her into this house?
This is my house, and I'll do as I please, okay? So you don't question me here.
Dad.
And the next time you look at her or talk to them funny, I will personally deal with you. Do you understand? Get out of my room.
You know I don't like you, right? You know the feeling is mutual, right? I know. But we can work things out together. I mean, we both want our parents to come back together, right? Yes. So, instead of hating each other, we can work together and make it happen. Okay, what are you thinking? Let's just prepare for dinner. Later we'll talk more. But if this must work, then we'll have to be very friendly. We'll put our personal grievances aside and be friends. So friends? Friends.
I'll go get them.
Jesus Christ, man. Yeah. Good evening, Mom. Good evening, Uncle Nolan. Thank you.
Good evening.
Are we not going to eat now?
Yeah. Wow. What has happened to our kids?
I don't know. But I am elated. I mean, 1 minute they want to kill themselves, next they are holding hands like they're best friends from... Wow, this is good.
I mean, this is a miracle.
Like the saying goes, what God cannot do
Does not
doesn't
exist. Wow, I'm so happy.
Let's go and see what they're doing before, they change their mind or they get crazy again. Ha!
You did well today.
You too.
If we continue like this, we would probably fix our respective homes.
Yeah.
Yeah. You know what? You can sleep at any part of my bed.
Thank you.
You can also share the duvet too, if you want.
I hope you're not expecting me to like you just because you're doing all these nice things.
Oh, please. Nobody likes you. Don't think like that. I'm just doing this so that I can be alive for this mission.
Good. I'm glad we have a mutual understanding.
Of course you do.
It's just good. Good morning.
Hey!
Good morning,
Good
Dad.
morning,
Good morning,
girls.
Auntie Ada.
Hi.
So, we made the both of you breakfast in bed.
You guys made breakfast.
Yes. We realize we haven't been on our best behavior, so we think this is a good start.
For now.
Oh, that is so sweet of you girls. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So, enjoy your breakfast in bed.
Thank you.
And tell us what you think about it later.
Wow, girls.
Wow.
This is impressive.
Thank
you.
you, Dad.
Are you gonna let us eat it or are you gonna
Oh,
stay?
yeah.
Sorry. Bye.
Okay.
Sorry, bye. Take care.
Bye now. Thank you, huh? Wow.
Yeah?
Hi, Mom.
Hey, baby.
Can we talk?
Of course, baby.
Hey, kiddo.
Hey, Dad. Dad, can you spare me a few minutes of your time?
Yeah, sure. What is it?
I came to apologize. It was very selfish of me to not think of you and to only think of myself.
I've been trying to call Mom and she's not picking my calls.
Oh, come on.
Dad, just let me finish. Please. The thing is, when Mom left, I put all the blame on you. But when Auntie Ada came, it was easier to transfer all the aggression to her.
I know better now, and I believe that if you broke up with Dad, then it's probably for a good reason. What I'm saying is, I support your relationship with Uncle Nolan, and if he makes you happy, then I'm happy for you, and I want to get to know him better.
But I thought about everything and I was just blaming the wrong person. I mean, Auntie Ada came in after everything happened. After Mom left. But I realized that I was doing all of that because I couldn't just blame my mom. Even if she was wrong, I couldn't put the blame on her. So I just want to apologize. I'm sorry. Sorry for my attitude towards Auntie Ada.
Thank you so much, baby girl.
You're welcome, Mom.
This means a lot to me. Come here. Hug. Thank you.
And I promise to be of good conduct. I mean, if she's important to you, I can give her a chance.
Really?
Yes.
Well, thank you very much. I love you. You know that, right?
I love you too, Dad.
Yeah.
You know, at this rate, Olive might not be ready to go back home with me when the 2 weeks is over.
I know, right? They have become inseparable.
Yeah.
You know, I've never seen my daughter this happy.
Me too.
I'm glad we did this.
Our parents really think we support them.
Yeah, I could see it on their faces. Look, Olive, we need to move over to the next plan. Are you ready?
I was born ready.
Come on. Yeah. So what will it be like?
Come in.
Dad, please, can I join you?
I thought you were downstairs watching TV with Olive.
Yeah, it was. Until Auntie Ada came in and told me to leave.
What?
You know, I've noticed something. Auntie Ada has been treating me differently lately. I feel like she doesn't like me anymore.
That's not possible.
Maybe it's all in my head.
Definitely all is in your head. Come on, she loves you as much as she loves her own daughter. Right, you want to play a game?
Oh, okay. I thought you were working.
Well, I was until you came to disturb me.
So which one, chess?
That's a chess game.
No, it's Scrabble.
Good afternoon, Mom.
Good afternoon, Auntie Ada.
Good afternoon, girls.
We just came to tell you about the pact that we made. But this week, I'm going to be eating little quantity of food. Very small. Yeah, that's the pact.
What pact is that?
Don't worry. Just, it's between the both of us. Just make sure you give me very little quantity of food for this week.
Yes. Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. You know, just sit down. I have something for you.
Okay. Oh, so soon.
I'll be right back.
Okay. Plan is almost working. Yeah.
Oops.
Oh, hi, Dad.
Okay.
Thank you, Mom.
Thank you, Auntie Ada.
You're welcome. Hey, babe. Help me with my phone. I'll be inside.
Okay.
Enjoy your meal.
Yep. Why does he keep doing that? Who is he hitting?
Oh my God. Like, is he going to put all these things in the pot again?
What's he doing? He's... Oh.
Welcome, Auntie Ada.
Hey, my girls. How you doing?
Good.
Come here. How you doing?
Very fine.
So I got this for you.
Oh.
Make sure you share it equally.
Okay.
What did I say?
Share it equally.
What did I say?
Share it equally.
Fine.
Okay.
Are you not excited?
I'm excited.
Alright, let me take it back.
No. Please.
Excited. Yay!
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So, do the honors, madam.
Thank you.
You have the first piece.
Are you serious? I opened it. Now you're supposed to have the first.
No, seriously, have the first piece.
Hello, girls.
Hi, Uncle Nolan.
Hey, Dad.
Is that pizza?
Yes.
Why aren't you sharing with your sister?
No. My mom said I should eat it alone.
Ah,
And I can't disobey my mom, so
yeah.
it's really good.
Come here. Oh my God, you wanted to kill me.
It's actually very nice.
Of course it is.
Babe, are you okay?
I'm fine.
Are you sure? You don't look okay.
If this is going to work, I need to know that you will treat our daughters equally. I mean, there can be no form of discrimination.
Nolan, that is exactly what I have been doing. I love your daughter as much as I love mine.
Do you though?
Of course, why would you even ask me that?
Because I know what I'm talking about, but I know you know what I am talking about. Look, I don't want anyone treating my daughter unjustly. If you know you can't treat my daughter the way you treat your own daughter, then maybe we shouldn't do this. Maybe we should just end it.
I'm sorry about what happened yesterday. But I want you to know that I love your daughter as much as I love mine. And if there is any way I have wronged you, please forgive me.
I love you.
How could they just make up just like that?
Like, I don't understand. Well, if it seems this plan was too weak, we need to get another one immediately. What are we going to do now? Wait. I think I have an idea.
You do?
Yeah, I mean, it might work.
Okay, let's know.
I'm just saying, maybe it might work or not. Oh, Auntie Ada, thank God you're in my father's life. Thank God you're here. And I'm happy my daddy has changed. Like, he has changed, unlike before. Do you know that? When my mom was around, what she sees with her eyes, once my mom goes out for a business trip or something like that, 5 women. 5 women.
5.
You see one in the parlor, one in the... everywhere.
Are you serious?
I'm serious. Like, my dad does it without remorse. If my mom come back, you will not see anybody. All of them will disappear. And the worst part is, I don't know where they go out from. I don't see them go out from the front door or the back door. I don't know whether they jump from window. I don't know. And the worst part is, my dad makes secret calls a lot. In the night, maybe I came out to take water. You'll see him sitting down here, making call. Hey, baby, I'll come tomorrow. Like, it's very surprising, how he's not doing it anymore. Because I don't see him do it. Any day he's off, he'll tell us that he's going to work. I don't know where he goes. Normally, my dad used to be off some days. But that day that he's off, he'll go out. Like, seriously, I want to thank you. I don't know what you're doing that is helping my dad. Like, I want to thank you so much, Auntie Ada. Hey, thank you for holding him. Thank you for keeping him the way you're keeping him. If not, by now.
Uncle Nolan. Hi.
Olive,
Oh, so,
you're going jogging as well?
yes, I actually saw you coming out and jogging is really good. So I'm going to be joining you henceforth.
Well, that's nice.
Yeah. Uncle Nolan,
Yes.
I want to say thank you for coming into my mom and I's lives. And thank you for giving me a sister because I've always wanted that. In my mom's past relationship, there would always fights and he would always accuse her of being with him just because of his money. I don't know if my mom told you this, but months before my parents' divorce, my dad lost his job and was struggling financially. I don't know if this has anything to do with the divorce though, but he always said that she was incapable of love. But now that she's with you, my dad was wrong of saying she was a gold digger and incapable of love.
Yes, he was. Come here. All right, let's go jogging.
Okay.
Ha! We play with your hair.
Baby, your phone is ringing.
It can wait.
What if it's important?
Fine. Hello. Who is this?
Who was that?
Wrong number. Where were we?
Hello, Auntie Ada.
Hey, baby.
Can you do me a favor, please?
What?
I want to take a picture. I've been trying selfie, but I think this way will be nicer. I would have told Olive, but she's sleeping. So, what would you think is better here, right?
Yeah. No, come.
This way.
Forward. Yeah, that's fine. Photo or portrait?
Anyone, you know the best.
Next.
Auntie, are you okay?
Yeah, yes. Well, I'm fine.
Because I've been posing for a while now, and you've not been taking any.
I've taken a lot. You can.
Oh, you
check.
have?
Yeah, you'll see something you like.
Let me see. They're nice. Oh my God! Thank you so much, Auntie Ada. I never knew you can take pictures like this.
You're welcome.
Thank you. I'll just go upstairs now and give Dad back his phone. Olive.
So?
You sent the message at the right time. You saw it.
Good. So what now?
Look, I'm sure your mom is already having doubts about my father. So everything is clear. I've deleted the message. I've given him back his phone. We're good.
You're actually smart.
Thank you. Did you just compliment me?
Don't let it get into your head.
I beg. Just accept that you did. So, Olive.
Yeah?
I'm thinking this will work, right?
Let's go.
Jane, I think Noland is cheating on me. Yes, he keeps getting these weird calls. And I don't know. He's acting like he doesn't know anything about it. The other day, I saw a message on his phone. The message states that he was the one that actually left his wife. He's a chronic cheat. The daughter even confirmed it. No, I didn't confront him. What if I confront him and he's really cheating on me? What if introducing my daughter to him was a bad idea? I don't know. My daughter is already blending in all of this. It would have been a lot better if I was the one involved here. But now, my daughter is here too. You know how she felt when she found out I was no longer with her dad. Finding out about this is going to hurt her. So, I know you want me. I know you want me about introducing my daughter to him. I know you told me to get to know him first, but you know, you don't get to know someone except you draw closer. You know what, Jane, I'll call you back. Hey.
Auntie Ada? Sorry, please, can I check something?
Check what?
Just very quick, please.
All right.
Just...
What are you doing?
It's just that... The thing is...
What is it?
I heard my dad making a call. And in his call, he was telling someone that you had a terrible auto.
What?
Just the way he was describing it.
I don't understand. Are you serious?
Look, Auntie Ada, the thing is, he always does it, like every single time. That's what he did to my mom. He always mocks my mom with his numerous girlfriends. I'm sure he was talking to one of his side chicks. Look, Auntie Ada, I'm sorry. It's just that I don't know why my dad is like that. But I've confirmed it. I've checked now. You don't have any bad odor. I don't know why he just said that. Please, don't mind him. You don't have any bad odor. No, you don't. Why?
Babe, your phone has been ringing.
Okay, I'll call the person later.
Stop.
Baby, but I want you.
I said stop it. I'm not in the mood. Ah.
Is everything okay? Is everything okay?
Yeah, I just wanted to talk to you about my mom.
Okay.
So my mom is a very complicated person, and I want your relationship to work. So I want to give you a hint.
Okay. Aren't you the sweetest?
My mom's birthday is in a week, and normally when it's a week to her birthday, she tends to freak out and hide it with certain habits. For example, she will avoid you, she will just act all irritated and stuff. I'm telling you this so you won't be surprised when you notice.
Ah,
Yeah.
no wonder.
No wonder what?
No wonder she's been acting cold and cranky towards me. I mean, is this why?
Yeah, most of all, you must avoid her. Never try to appease her, just avoid.
Avoid her.
Yes. So during that period of time, you can actually plan a surprise birthday party for her. On no account should she know about your plans. Do that and you will win my mother's heart forever.
Okay.
Yeah.
Geez, thanks. Your mother's lucky to have you, you know? Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Mm.
It's complicated, I know.
It is, but I will figure it out.
Yeah, you will. I told him exactly what you said I should tell him.
Perfect. Now, he'll think the reason she's avoiding him is because of the birthday hormones, not knowing she thinks he's cheating on her.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Also, the preparations for the surprise birthday party will really make her think
Oh
he's
my
cheating
God,
on
we
her.
make such a good team.
I know.
Bring it in. Come here. We need.
Now that my mom is suspecting him, we need to make him suspect her. We need somebody. A guy. Do you know anyone?
No, I don't. But I'll ask my friends. They might know someone.
Good. Yeah.
Yes. Hello. Yeah, Mr. Nolan speaking. How can I help you? Who is this? Hey, that's my woman you're talking about. I know what this is about. You can't bear the fact that since she's not with your brother, you don't want her to be with anybody else. And you want me to leave her, isn't it?
Uncle Nolan.
Olivia.
Hi. How's the birthday surprise thingy going?
It's going well, thank you.
So, can you play Temple Run?
Ah, I used to love that game a while ago.
Oh, lovely. So, I'm stuck on this level. Can you help me?
Sure.
Thank you.
Okay. This is your mother's phone.
Yes, I like using her phone because the screen is wider. Are you okay, Uncle Nolan?
Yeah. It's eliminated me.
Oh, that's okay. Are you sure you're okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Okay.
So tell me, how did it go?
He saw the message. It worked.
So what did he say?
Nothing. He was really shocked.
Ah, nice. I hope you deleted the message and my number that I saved as Jane.
Yes, definitely.
Nice. Step by step, our plan is working perfectly.
Guy, I can't believe she lied to me about everything. It's all a lie. Confront her and say what? Do you really think she's going to admit it? She's definitely going to lie about it. I seriously have no idea what to do. Especially now that my daughter's involved. Yeah, it was really difficult getting Ellie to like her. And now that she has liked her, I'm just finding out that Ada isn't who I thought she was. I'm confused, my guy. I've never been this confused. Not in my life. All right, I guess I'll talk to her when she gets back.
Hello, Daddy.
Hey, kiddo.
Are you okay?
I'm fine.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
It's just that there's something I want to tell you.
Okay.
It's about Auntie Ada. Yesterday, I've heard her making a call about her house documents.
Our house documents.
Yes. From what I heard, I think the person she was on call with was trying to tell her to bring the house documents. Well, I'm not too sure. I might be wrong. I mean, what's Auntie Ada doing with her house documents? I'm just telling you what I heard.
Yeah.
Dad, what's wrong? Is anything the matter?
The house documents are gone.
What? What?
I think Ada took it.
my God! How did I get there? Jeez.
Something you should know. Ada is not who we thought she was.
Dad, I don't understand what you're saying.
I shouldn't have brought her into our lives. I'm sorry.
It's fine, Dad. It's okay. It's time to pull our final string. Look, tomorrow, you tell your mom something that will make you guys go out for a while. Then I'll have the time to put the house documents in her bag.
And I, on the other hand, will be giving my mom many reasons why we must leave the house.
Yeah. This has to work, Olive. This is our only chance to break this thing between my father and your mother. So that we can get our biological mother and father back.
Elle, if the plan tomorrow works...
I know you miss me. I'll miss you too.
I said I was going to miss you.
You were going to say that.
No, I was not.
That was what you wanted to say.
I was not.
Stop lying and admit it.
I'm going to miss you, Elle.
Of course you will. I'll miss you too.
But I'm scared about tomorrow.
What?
If they end up confronting each other, they'll know the truth and realize that we played them.
That is why we shouldn't let them confront each other. Shouldn't even give them the chance.
What are you thinking? Mom, that's our luggage.
Yeah.
What is our luggage doing outside?
Welcome, Auntie. It's my dad. He said you should leave this house before he gets back. Auntie, that this is exactly how he chased my mom out of this house. I think there's someone else in the picture.
And he couldn't stand to say that to my face? Such a coward. You know what? Grab our bags, let's go. We're going to leave anyways.
I can't believe this is happening now that I'm already beginning to warm up to you and Olive.
It's fine. I guess your dad and I never got to know each other very well before starting this whole thing.
Yeah.
Olive, let's go.
Bye.
Take care.
Where's your dad? The thing is, I hid my number and then sent him an anonymous message saying he has to go to the office because the supervisors will soon be there. And he left, which gave me enough time to pack you and your mom's stuff.
Oh, good.
Yeah, and remember, you must avoid both of them seeing each other to avoid confrontation.
Yeah, that's actually smart.
Thank you, Ole.
You're welcome. Well, I guess our plan worked at the end of the day.
Yeah, it was. I try and make things work between my mother and my father.
I'll do the same.
One more thing. Remember to block my father's number from your mother's phone.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
I'll call you on the phone, okay?
Okay. Hugs?
Take care of yourself.
Take care. Hello.
Hey.
Daddy, welcome.
How are you?
Very fine. How's work?
Work was good. My supervisors came in today.
They did?
Yeah, it would have been bad if I didn't get an anonymous message telling me about it.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, it would have been.
Did Ada come back?
The thing is, she left.
Yeah.
I think she found out that you already know her plans. So she left. Dad, I'm sorry. I'm sorry about her.
No, I should be the one apologizing for bringing someone like her into our lives. Listen, I'm just gonna go up and freshen up, okay? You eating?
Yes, I have.
Okay.
Hey, Mom.
Hey.
Are you okay?
Don't worry, I'll be fine.
Okay. But you know I'm here for you, right?
Yeah. Come here. Come here. Thank you.
Hey, Olive, I was just about to call you.
Someone is missing me. I miss you too.
Yeah. How's your mom?
She's really heartbroken. She's sleeping now though.
My dad is heartbroken too. Like, I think they really loved each other.
Yeah, but it wasn't going to work. I mean, my father is in the picture. Your mom too.
You're right.
Tomorrow, I'm going to talk to my mom about my dad.
I'll do same here.
I hope it works out in the end.
I hope it works out too. Okay. Bye. Take care of yourself. Good morning, Daddy.
Good morning, kiddo. How was your night?
Very fine. What about you?
It was good.
Dad, I wanted to tell you something.
What is it?
Thing is, I've been trying to call Mom since. I've been trying to reach her, but she's not picking my call. Maybe if you call her by yourself and invite her over.
Ellie, your mom and I are done.
Dad, you have to listen.
Ellie, the last thing I want to do is talk about your mother or any other woman, okay? Please.
That Mom is
Ellie, please. I gotta go to the gate.
Yeah, Olive. How are you? Olive, no matter how I try, my father wouldn't talk about my mom. At least your dad picks up. My mom never picks up my call. I don't know. It's been like that since she left. I don't just understand. Wait, I think I have an idea.
Hi, Mom. Morning.
Morning.
So, I called Dad for lunch, right? But he refused to come over. So I was thinking maybe if you called him, he will actually agree to come over.
No, I'll do no such thing.
But Mom...
I don't want to talk about it. Okay?
Mom...
Stop it. Please rest your head. I'm watching an important program. Olive. Rest your head. I'm watching an important program.
Where are you going?
I don't want to stay here anymore. I want to go to my mom.
Ellie, take your box upstairs.
Dad!
Right now.
I want to go to my mom. I'm not leaving this spot until you take me there.
Ellie?
It's either you take me there or I leave this house for good.
Ellie?
Dad, I just want to go to my mom. I just want to see her. What more am I? I'm not asking for too much, am I? Please, why are you doing this? Why are you preventing me from seeing my own mother?
Because your mother left us for a politician.
No. No. You two had a big fight, which resulted to the divorce, right?
And what did you think the fight was about? She divorced me because she wanted someone who could afford her extravagant lifestyle. She left us. That's why she doesn't take your call. Because she made it clear that she didn't want you or I in her life anymore.
That was not what you told me. You told me told me that both of you fell out of love. And that it was no one's fault. She just left.
What do you want me to tell you? That she left us because of the greed of money? Look, I didn't want you to hate her. So I didn't tell you. At least not while you were young.
I'm sorry, Dad. I didn't know all of this happened. I had no idea.
It's okay. It's not your fault. Listen, maybe it's me. Maybe it's me that keeps attracting all these kind of women, you know? Yeah. But from now on, it's going to be me and you, all right?
Yes, Dad.
Come here, kiddo. So you're planning on leaving me?
No.
No, you got a box packed. Get your things upstairs.
Where are you going?
I called Dad asking for the address, but he won't give it to me. Please, what's his address?
I don't have it.
Mom, I'm tired of the game you and Dad are playing. I obviously don't want to be a part of it. Please, what's his address? I want to go and meet him.
Go back to your room.
Mom, I want to see my father.
I said go back to your room now.
No! Mom, I'm tired. You and Dad just woke up one morning and decided to get a divorce without even considering how I feel. He wants to get back with you, but you keep pushing him away.
What?
Yes! Whenever I ask him for something, he'll always say, tell your mom. And when I do, you shove it aside like it's nothing. He obviously wants to get back with you, but you keep pushing him away because you want to be with other men.
What?
Yes. Mom, please, if you don't give me his address, then I'll go to the streets.
He's married.
Of course. He's married to you.
No. The dad and I dated. I got pregnant and I persuaded him to do the right thing. But he refused. Months ago, I discovered that he was married and I was his mistress.
Mom, I'm so sorry.
That's fine. He told me not to tell you so that you won't hate him. And of course, he's your father. I decided to keep it away from you. And I asked him to stay away from us.
Mom, I'm so sorry. I had no idea.
It's okay. It's fine. Just come.
My mom was at fault. Your dad too.
Yeah.
I can't believe we sabotaged our parents' relationship for people that don't even want it.
We have to do something.
We need to tell them the truth. Nothing but the truth. Yeah.
So you're saying Ada is innocent?
Yes, Dad.
So you and Olive arranged all this nonsense?
Daddy, we're sorry.
Save it.
I
Save it! I will deal with you later. Let me call her.
It won't go through. The thing is, Olive blocked your number from our own end. So did I. But let me quickly get my phone so that you can make the call.
What?
I'm sorry, Mom. I thought the reason Dad left was because of Uncle Nolan.
But I told you he didn't.
I didn't believe you. I thought you were just covering up for him. Mommy, I'm sorry.
I can't believe you do this to me. Olive. Ellie. Ellie. Nolan, hi. I am having the same conversation with my daughter. Like now? Okay, we're coming.
Mom, I'm sorry. I had no idea. I'm sorry.
I am highly disappointed in both of you.
We're sorry, Dad and Auntie Ada. We just didn't want our homes to break. We didn't know the full story. We're really sorry. Please forgive us.
Well, sorry is not going to cut it. There are consequences for your actions. And that means you'll be punished for this. I won't believe you to go outside, and your mother and I will decide on what your punishment will be.
Okay, Dad.
It is true that they are wrong. But maybe we are to be blamed. I think if we had told them the reason we got separated from our spouses, this wouldn't have happened.
Yeah, maybe. But for them to have pulled off such a scheme, they will take the blame for it. I believe they should be blamed for it.
I'm happy things are working out again between your mother and my father.
Me too. And we don't have to hide our friendship anymore.
Come here.
Listen, I am so sorry I believed the worst about you. Maybe because of my ex, I can't see beyond the worst in people. I am sorry.
I believe the worst about you too. You know, my ex lied to me and I thought you were going to be the same.
I would never cheat on you, you know that, right?
And I am not here for your money. I love you.
I love you too. Now, what kind of punishment should we inflict on those two little monsters?
Okay.
House chores?
I know.
Did you just sniff me?
No, I didn't. I didn't even have that in mind.
Right.
I just inhaled.
You inhaled. Isn't that what sniffing is?
No, like it was a coincidence that it was in your...
Okay.
So we have decided on your punishments.
You will cook and do the house chores for the next 1 month.
Fine.
Starting from today.
Sweetie, what do you want to eat?
Rice and beans.
You heard my baby. Get to work.
Okay.
And chicken.
You want us to go to market this...
Yes.
What?
Right now?
Right now.
But I have heels on.
Wear slippers.
I don't have those.
Then borrow from her.
Fine. See us in the next 5 hours.